Hello, this is an overview of the WooCommerce Advanced Shipment Tracking plugin. We just released version 1.9.3 and it's pretty cool. We did some really nice improvements in the last versions, and so we have the tracking providers that we can enable or disable. We can enable or disable all of them. If I enable all of them, we can select the default one. Everything is Ajax based and being saved in the background. We can add our own custom provider and put an image, shipping provider, the country, and the tracking page. We can also concatenate the tracking number if they have it in the link, and save it. We can, in the settings, we can first rename the completed order status to shipped, enable new custom order status that will be delivered for stores that want to mark orders that are completed as shipped because they're just shipped practically, and then to mark orders that were delivered to the customer as delivered. And then you can choose a custom color for the delivered orders, whatever color we want to use, and we can have a delivered email also that will be sent to the customers, and we can choose if to use our template, which will use the header or footer of the general emails that are being sent from WooCommerce, but the content will be generated by our plugin, or you can use the WooCommerce emails and then you can override the content if you're using any email customizer plugin. And once you use our email, once you use the WooCommerce email, you will get a link here that will direct you to the settings, and you can enable or disable this email. And if you choose the advanced shipment tracking email, it will enable this tab of the email notifications, which you can set up emails here. Let's just continue with the settings. So the next thing that we added in the last versions is the tracking info display, which allows you to control the display in the emails and in my account. And you can preview here the design and see how it will look. For example, I will change it to display shipment tracking image. I will save and let's preview. And now it will show the provider image in the table. We can control the table border and table header font and size. Many cool stuff. We can even change the header and the tracking information, the default header. We can change it, and we can add text under the tracking information if we want subtext. And these are very cool things. We also added the option to remove the date. So I can remove the date, and let's see, tracking info with no date. And let's save it. And let's preview. And this is the header, and the date column is not visible anymore. And so besides that, besides these improvements, we added the bulk upload option. So you can use CSV files and bulk upload multiple tracking information into orders. And we explained here the metadata, the fields that you need to use in the CSV, and you can download the sample CSV file and quickly upload, and you will get a report that will indicate how many processed and how many errors you got. Here you have the option to replace the tracking info if exists. This meaning that an order can have multiple tracking information. Sometimes you ship the same order from multiple locations and you want to add, or in different packages, and you want to add more than one tracking number to an order. So this controls if you want to replace the current information if exists, or you want to delete it and replace. So that's this option that is very important. Another very important option is the status shipped. So you can decide for every tracking information if at this point you want to mark the order as shipped, as change order status to ship. That's actually the completed if you did not rename the order status, and that will automatically move the order status to completed / shipped. And then we have the email notifications. So currently we have one email that you can set up. You can set up a few, but for the only trigger that we offer right now is delivered orders. In the future, we're going to integrate a nice service that will allow you to track the orders automatically with all the shipping providers. This way you can even send emails that will be triggered by shipment status, for example, out for delivery, or in delay, and other shipment statuses. But currently we have the delivered orders that you can send email to the customers when the order is delivered, order status is delivered. And here you can set up all the email subjects and the heading and the content. You can use many of our shortcodes. You just need to click on it and it will be copied and pasted here. So you can use all kinds of variables in the email. You can write whatever you want. You can use our editor, and you can set up a nice delivered email. If you want the order details, just copy it and add it here. Very easy, and just click update and enable or disable the email. For example, now I will disable this email and I will update, and now the email is not green, so it's not enabled. Once it's enabled, we update, and now it will be sent. So that was a quick overview of the WooCommerce Advanced Shipment Tracking plugin. We're adding a new service soon, so stay tuned, and thank you very much. And if you like the plugin, we would love to get your review on WordPress.org. Thank you very much.